So this is the old bar under Manchester.
Oh, there's bottles of water in the fridge.
Oh, sorry, lad. Look at them lights. I'd well open this as a bar, mate.
Yeah, brilliant.
Wonder how long it's not been a bar for. See the old pumps there, look. Coke and that. It's cool, that, isn't it? Okay, guys, so what are we looking at? Well, this is a World War II air raid shelter, which is situated underneath St Anne's Square in Manchester. It was connected to the American headquarters, which was also situated in St Anne's Square. That later became a Conservative club and is currently up for sale. As you can see, this has, since the Second World War, has clearly been used as a bar. It's not used anymore, but that's where you can see bar remnants. Now, we tried to get in our own, but security here was massive. They had keypads and that, so we actually followed a tour group of tourists going in. They actually did clock us at the end, and they actually found it quite funny what we were doing, so they were pretty cool. But I hope you enjoy this, and thank you for your continued support. And one last thing, guys, thank you for all the subscribers, and if we could try and smash that 1,000 by the end of the year, I'd really appreciate that. We keep doing this for you guys, and we really appreciate all your support. Thank you. This is the tunnels, guys, under Manchester. Hey, guys. Look at this. Goes right down there.